In front of me is Nothing Phone Free, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, scroll down, tap on Photos at the bottom left corner, tap on your photos here, and select Add at the bottom right corner here. Then just send them. To take a photo and add it instantly, click on the same icon. Choose Photo here, pick your camera, snap it, and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!